Welcome to the morganodriscoll.com online website, and here we're going to do a number of video tutorials to try and help you understand better how the bidding system works for online auctions. In this example, I am going to show you what happens. There's a 5-minute rule, so at the end of each lot. So lot number one, which is finishing in less than, it's showing here in less than 5 minutes to go, 4 minutes and 15 seconds to go. And if you, as we can see here, the current highest bidder. But just in case somebody else decides they want to bid against you at that stage, and they place a bid of 440 euros, for example, I'm doing the other screen against you there, and they do 440, it jumps in real time and tells you that you've been outbid, but it resets the timer for 5 minutes. So even though it had gone down to about 4 minutes there on that, so it resets the timer on this lot only. It doesn't affect any other lot in the sale. So just because one is extended, it doesn't mean that any other lot is extended. So this one here has been extended now, and it's back to 4 minutes and 36 seconds. For example, you decide to bid against them again, or let's do it another way first. If they decide to increase their bid again from 440 and they decide to go 460 euros as a bid there, for example, it will, once they confirm their bid, even though the price hasn't gone up on the screen, but they've extended their time. So generally, if you're the highest bidder and 5 minutes left to go, you don't generally want to extend it any longer. So you don't need to up your bid any higher if you are the current highest bidder on that. Now, if you wish to turn around and place a bid against them, and it's showing, what's it showing there? Sorry, let's see what time it's showing. 4 minutes and 36 seconds. So we decide to increase our bid to 500 euros, and we confirm our bid. Now it's back to 5 minutes here again, and your current maximum bid is 480 because their bid was 460, 480. So if they go 500 or go, they would have to go and bid and increase the bid after 500. It goes up in 50s. So if they increase their bid and go 500, for example, on that, it will come up on their screen as they have bid the same amount as the previous highest bidder. Please bid again. So they would actually have to go 550 euros against you. They can't go 520 because it won't accept it. It has to go by the increments which are there, which are shown beside each lot. So, and there it shows you 550. If you want to know what the increments are, it shows you in bidding here, how bidding works, and that. Scroll down in the bidding and it shows you, sorry, I went past it there. Where is it here? The increments. It shows you what the increments are for each level of when you're going along. The computer won't let you put a 501 or 520 or 535. You actually have to go up by the increments on that. So you can increase your bid again. So if, for example, you might want to put 650 euros as your bid there, which would, it won't show 650, it'll show 600 on the screen, but your maximum bid is 650. If you want to go back to the screen there, it'll show you 600 euros. So if you are successful in getting it and nobody else bids against you, and the time goes down along there, it'll end up at 600 euros, and the price that you pay is the 600, that's the buyer's premium.